Welcome to the 2024 Virtual Greenhouse, Garden Center, Nursery, and Cut Flower Farm Tour. Carrie Jagger from OSU Extension, Morrow County, and Joanne Trainer, Morrow County Master Gardener Volunteer, tour the county and take pictures of all the greenhouses so that we can share them with the folks in the community so that they can see what great products are out in the county. I hope that you enjoy this tour. The first stop on the tour is the Owl Creek Produce Auction. Auctions are Monday, Wednesday at 11, and Fridays at 10. They offer a wide variety of flowers, plants, and produce throughout the summer and into the fall. The next stop on the tour was Clearvue Greenhouse. They open May 1st. They're open Monday through Friday 9 to 7, Saturday 9 to 5, and Sunday 1 to 5. They have a great selection of annuals, vegetables, herbs, and beautiful hanging baskets. They also offer mums and pumpkins in the fall, so check back later in the season for those. Greenhouse was the next stop on the tour. They're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 7. They had 4 packs of sweet corn seedlings. They had a sunflower that blooms all season and a nice variety of 6-inch and flats of annuals and vegetable plants. Next stop was Clearvue Greenhouse. They're open daylight hours, Monday through Saturday, no Sunday sales. They had a large selection of annual flats, annual 4- and 6-inch pots, herbs, vegetables, big beautiful hanging baskets, patio containers, and a few perennials. Next stop is Brush Hollow Greenhouse. They're open daylight hours, Monday through Saturday, no Sunday sales. They have a large variety of annuals in hanging baskets, patio containers, 6-inch pots, flats. They also had flats of vegetables for all your garden needs. Five Star Flowers and Planters is a new stop on the tour this year. They're open Friday and Saturday. They're closed Sunday. They have a small greenhouse with hanging baskets and containers. They also offer yard decor made out of reclaimed barn wood. The next stop is Oak Nursery and Greenhouse. They're open Monday through Friday 10 to 5, Saturday 10 to 4, and they're closed Sunday. They offer a nice variety of evergreen trees and shrubs, as well as deciduous trees and shrubs. They offer perennials, annuals in flats, annuals in hanging baskets, and annuals in container gardens. They also offer a great selection of herbs and veggies for all your garden needs. They have a nice selection of fertilizers and chemicals as well as yard art. Next stop on the tour was Bloom on Flower Farm. This is another new stop on the tour this year. They're open Monday through Sunday, 9 to 6. They do offer You Pick Flower Farm during the season of flowering. Right now, there wasn't a lot going on, and they showed me all the seedlings they had planted, and they're going to get out into the field to offer those beautiful flowers for you to pick later on in the summer. Next stop was Groovy Plants Ranch. They're open daily 8 to 6. They have a wide selection of succulents, houseplants, trees and shrubs, both evergreen and deciduous, perennials, herbs, annuals, hanging baskets, container gardens, home decor, pottery, yard decor. They have a wide selection of all kinds of yard and garden items. Groovy Plants Ranch is open year-round, so make sure you check them out as the seasons change throughout the year. Next stop is Mary Jo's Greenhouse Legacy. They're open Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 6. This year they expanded and added a second greenhouse. They have large annual hanging baskets, patio containers, annuals in 6-inch pots, annuals in 4-inch pots, annuals in 6-pack handle packs, and a nice variety of vegetables. They also carry mums and pumpkins in the fall, so be sure to check them out all season long. Another new stop on the tour was Mohan Flower Farm. They're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6. They do sell at farmers market through the week, but this year they're offering a stand at the farm that you can stop and buy cut flowers at. They have high tunnels, so their flowers were blooming and beautiful and ready to go to the market. Stop by the Mohan Flower Farms to get your fresh bouquet of flowers. The next stop on the tour was the McCurry Tree Farm. They're open by appointment. They offer bald and burlap trees that they grow on their farm and they dig for their customers.
These are hard to find. This row here is northern pecan. They're in the hickory family. Doggle crabapple. The deer love them. Inch edible fruits. Swamp white oak. They will take moisture. They'll take dry. Okay, more oaks. A little bit of doggle. Some prairie fire crabs. More crimson king maple. Canadian firs here. And then over this way, they're working on flash fire sugars.
Tell me about the flash fire sugar.
In the fall, you get cold temperatures and you come out and flash fire. They have turned color. And then serviceberry are kind of shrubby. Some new seedlings. Norway spruce. And then these are tree farm river birch. That's what I grow. These trees here, starting like here, these are Eastern Wahoo. They're in the euonymus family. Hearts bursting with love. They have beautiful fall color. Kind of a pink, yellow, and then this red fruit. It's just gorgeous. They're kind of in the burning bush. You want them as family, so they're very hardy. And I have trained them to be small trees. They only get maybe 12, 15 foot tall. Royal raindrops, flowering crabapple, maroon foliage, spring, summer, and fall. So we call them up. We have customers tag their trees. We custom dig, so you can come out, pick out your tree, and then we custom dig. So the Norway maple, they have the biggest flower. So you can see just that little yellow. That's the flower that the maple gets. But the Norway has the biggest flower. And then I could go up here. Our new plantings here, Red Point maple, and they're just a beautiful hardy tree that that sells really well and beautiful red fall color. But these will be ready maybe in like 5 years, so we take care of them.
Mary Lou, when do you guys dig? Like, what are your digging times?
When the tree is dormant, so starting in the fall, and then once they put on the leaves, we are done digging.
So could a person pick a tree out this summer and then you dig it for them in the fall?
Yes, or I have some already pre-cut. You have to cut the roots when they are dormant.
Okay.
So like that whole row of crabapple, all the roots. So I can do those all, yeah.
So you're in preparation for somebody coming in.
Another stop on the tour was J&L Nursery and Greenhouse. They're open daily, noon to 6. They offer perennials, annuals, annual hanging baskets, annual flats, herbs, veggies. They had giant tomatoes. They have the ever-famous shrimp plant. And they also have a little market inside where they offer meats and veggies throughout the season. The next stop was Lincolnshire Farm and Greenhouse. They're open Monday through Saturday, 8 to 7, no Sunday sales. He has a great selection of annual hanging baskets and annual flats, as well as veggie flats. Another stop on the tour was Natives in Harmony. They're open Saturday, Sunday, Monday, noon to 6, and by appointment. Natives in Harmony offers a wide variety of perennial native plants for you to enhance your garden for native pollinators. They did have elderberry if you're looking for that. The last stop on our tour was Singing Springs Nursery. They're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday, 9 to 5, Sunday, 11 to 2. They offer garden seeds, seed potatoes, seed onions, garden fertilizer, and chemicals, as well as trees, shrubs, annuals, perennials, and vegetable plants. They also offer frozen meat in their store. You can pick up the famous Slacky's Bratwurst here. Thank you for joining OSU Extension Morrow County and the Morrow County Master Gardeners on the 2024 Virtual Garden Tour. I hope you saw something that you want to buy. We have a lot of great products grown in this county. I hope folks shop a local this year when they're thinking about buying their gardening plants. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I want to remind everybody that this is brought to you by Morrow County Extension Levy dollars.